To the stage.
Hello, everybody. I'm Jason, and I'll just get right to it. Hive is a experimental way for a group of people to all make music together. So it's a thin wrapper around Magenta RealTime that lets us collectively control it. So in a couple of seconds, I'm going to reveal the QR code, and you can all connect. One thing to note, this is super robust. This isn't vibe coded at all. But I would also appreciate if no one intentionally tries to break it. All right, and without further ado, I'll just get off the stage and give us some room to play. And scene. So this is all on GitHub. This is all fork it, hack it, enjoy it. Yeah, that's what I got.